So I just want to show you a little bit about my story, my numbers, and then show you guys what other people are making on Amazon just so you can see what is truly possible. So here's my sales. And so essentially I built a $6 million business in 6 months. Now this is an extraordinary case and not everybody can go ahead and do this. But I know a lot of people that have built $1 million business that profits about $200,000 in 1 year. So it's definitely possible to start a business. And I just want to show you guys what it kind of looks like. It's not like you go and build one product that brings you to the moon, okay? It's built up of a lot of different products and you build some home runs and then you get some base hits. What I suggest for the beginners is I had been selling on Amazon for a while with private label, or I had been selling on Amazon for a while with doing retail arbitrage and wholesale through some other ways. So, but essentially what I'm suggesting is that people go for these little base hits. So up here, I obviously got a lot of home runs. Okay. Like I made $500,000 on that one up there. But as we go through here, I added 100 products in 6 months. So I just kept adding, but you can see here, like they're not all home runs. Like, okay, something that makes $10,000 a year. Like, I think that's a pretty good base hit, or for some people, it might even be a home run. So it all depends on your skill and your experience. And you can go and take progressively larger and larger at bats as you get more skilled. So I just want to show you, so these are my numbers, but it's kind of an extraordinary case. So I just want to show you some other ones. So let's say we were looking at the protein powder market. So this is a tool called Viral Launch that I'm using. It's a Chrome extension. You could check it out down below. We have some discounts, but essentially it allows us to go and see exactly how much other people are selling on Amazon. So you can see on every single listing how much it's selling per day. And it's pretty accurate. It's actually extremely accurate, and it's a really valuable tool. So we can see some of these protein powders are doing like $2 million a month in revenue, $1 million on that one, and then all the other ones doing kind of like $100,000 a month up here. Obviously, these are too big to go into for a beginner because you need a lot of product if you're going to sell that much. So here's just some other ones that I just want to show you about. So there's like, how about this have a nice day mug, okay? It's just kind of a simple little coffee mug, but it's actually doing some crazy numbers. Granted, it is Christmas time right now, but this mug is doing $137,000 a month. It's not like this is a particularly difficult product to make, just kind of a little bit crafty. And I mean, these aren't even that nice of photos, but 3D middle finger. Like, okay, kind of a cheesy product, but it works. There's some other ones here. Drama Llama coffee mug. This Drama Llama coffee mug with 2 reviews. Okay, I would buy this. And it's doing right there $8,000 a month. So there's all sorts of different products that are selling on Amazon that sell for a lot of money. So essentially there's hundreds of thousands of product opportunities out there, and you'll be seeing more and more as we go throughout the course. But I just want to show you guys like just kind of what there is as an opportunity. There's so much money to be made on Amazon. So now we're going to explain how I see the opportunity, and you guys will see why it's such a good business opportunity, or you could view it as an investment. However you view it, Amazon is taking over the world, and now we'll explain how that opportunity works.